Evening, everybody. It's Sunday night, 7:52, and this is your Sunday night update on gold and futures. The gold's not doing much. As I mentioned in tonight's letter, it has performed much better than any of the cryptos, so kind of negates the cryptos or digital gold. The numbers don't support that at all. In any event, oil down $2.50, but still well over 100. Heating oil, gasoline, both down. Nat gas down a penny, so really not much there. Gold is down 620, silver down 22 cents, and the copper is also lower after making a new all-time high last week, well over $5. Palladium down a little, pardon me, platinum down a little, palladium down a chunk, $69.30. Okay, cotton and the other softs are not open yet, but the stock indexes are. The Dow is up 222. I'm not sure what the fair value went out at, but up 222 for direction certainly tells you where it is. Up 73 in the Nasdaq and up 26 and a half in the S&P. The dollar is down about 20 cents. The Bitcoin is down 645. Also down is Ethereum. Let's see. Bonds down 15/32, so down about a half a point there. The grains are also not up. But let's take a look at the oil. Let's see what that looks like here. It came back in. This is the daily. Kind of a short range so far. Would not surprise me to see it be back at $1, which is also dollar, just under $1.02 is where the rising 20-day moving average is. As you can see, the only one that is not rising is the 5-day, and that doesn't really surprise me after we traded 130 on 130 and a half on Monday, and then by Wednesday we were trading back at 103. So that's kind of interesting. Let's take a look at the gold, which I think is more interesting, frankly. Down $6.30 right now, but was traded as high as 2,078. Came all the way back down and closed the week out at 1985, but still up on the week, I believe. Let's take a quick gander at the weekly. Yep, still up on the week. So would not surprise me to see that test 1900 and still move higher. So that's where we are. There's not a lot of action. The one that I like is the corn. It's not open yet. It doesn't open until 8 o'clock my time. But I think this was the highest close, the highest recent close on a weekly basis, and you can see it even better on a daily basis. Let's bring that in a little to the 6 month. As you can see, it's been consolidating between 728 and 766. I think I'd be a buyer here. And also, as I mentioned in my narrative tonight, I also like John Deere DE. I think that's a stellar looking chart. Let me show you on the weekly what I'm talking about here. We have been consolidating in this range. According to this, we closed 389. I don't think that that's accurate. I think it closed higher than that. But as you can see, we made a new breakout high here on Friday at 405 and change. Let me just get the actual price here. Yeah, John Deere closed 392, not 380 something, 392. 460, and that was up $2.50. So that puts it a little bit higher. This high close is 392.67. So we're pretty darn close to that. I'd like to see it go through, and it wouldn't surprise me to see this stock in the 420, 425 area. All right, everyone. Have a good evening. I'll be back first thing in the morning.